I like my Dyson SV10 makes a weird noise. Vi are Kelato Site, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. Vi are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. Det strange noise from your Dyson SV10 could be due to a blockage or a worn-out motor component. We can easily address this issue by replacking the faulty parts and giving your cleaner a tour of clean. This ensures your Dyson operates smoothly and quietly again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.